video here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase the service due light on this 2015 Honda Civic. So you have to do this procedure after changing the oil on your engine. So I'm going to turn the key on. Over here on this display, there's a message here that says service due. Right there, service past due. So we're going to erase that light. So to erase this light, we're going to use the buttons over here on the steering wheel, the buttons on the left side of the wheel. So we're going to use the menu button and the information button, and then these up and down buttons. So I'm going to press the info button first. Okay, so right there, info button, and then we're going to press the menu button. Okay, so let me zoom you guys in here. So information button first, and then menu button, and then we're gonna go up and click on vehicle information. Okay, maintenance info, we're gonna go to engine oil, we're gonna click on that, and then as you can see, it's asking us if we want to reset the maintenance information. We're gonna scroll down and then click yes. Okay, so as you can see, our oil life has been reset to 100%. So basically, I was using these buttons over here, okay, up and down, and then you press this center button to enter. Okay, so now I'm gonna press the menu button to exit. Okay, so we're good to go. So now I'm gonna start the engine to see if that light is gonna remain off. So right there, as you can see, that service past due light is no longer remaining on the dash. Okay, so that's good. This is how you erase the service past due light on a 2015 Honda Civic. Thanks for watching. See you next time.